There's no judgment around failure. You have to fail fast, test fast, fail again, then test again. Just keep failing so that you figure out what not to do. My name is Atika Fatima and I'm the founder of One Heart Protocol. We're basically, in simple terms, we're airplane miles for blood donation. So we're trying to build a decentralized donor incentive platform for blood donation. There's a personal reason behind why I started working on this one. My mom is anemic and my dad has been a blood donor for 25 years. So quite the opposites attract story. And when I checked with my dad, why he had been so consistent in donating blood, he just told me that he saw his wife suffering. When it comes to the regular people who are eligible to donate blood but do not really donate, they do not have enough motivation. Because let's say you walk in Blood Services Canada today, you give a bottle of blood, all you get is a pin. We're trying to incentivize that process to motivate you to get your first foot in and make you a regular blood donor. Healthcare and health tech altogether are very difficult industries to get into. So I've been quite going back and forth with dealing with everything that's there in terms of regulations, in terms of like what works for us, what does not work for us. So I've been doing this for about 4 months now, and we are going to run our first pilot on National Blood Donation Day, which is coming on the June 14th. One thing that I wish I knew earlier was there's no judgment around failure. You have to fail fast, test fast, fail again, then test again. Just keep failing so that you figure out what not to do instead of trying to figure out what you actually are supposed to do. So I feel like that's something I wish I knew earlier. I really believe in this one saying, which is believe and it will be. So just keep on believe in the problem that you're trying to solve. Don't get married to your solution. I swear that's not how it's going to work. You need to keep pivoting. You need to be open to change. Just don't resist change and just keep believing.